I speak through the wind you cannot hold, through the trees that stand without complaining, through the rivers that keep flowing no matter the obstacles. Learn from my creation, the sun does not struggle to shine, the birds do not worry before they sing, and the earth does not rush yet everything is fulfilled. Why then do you fear so much? Why do you doubt your journey? If I can take care of the grass that fades, how much more you that carry my breath? Be still. Grow quietly. Trust fully. Your season will come, just like nature never fails.
Subscribe for more on In Christ Alone.